There are times when these Volvos require delicate precision instruments to work on them.
So we took our muffler that was wasted off our 85 Volvo 240. You can see where that end's missing there. Now, well, you can see into that. But these things have two muffler mounts and two muffler clamps. This is an example of the clamp. It is missing a gasket. Both of our clamps had no gaskets.
Oh, wow.
So, and here's the tailpipe. This guy actually goes on this end, like that there. So this was clamped, but you can see some smoke. See that black smoke right in there? That's indicative of an exhaust leak because it had no gasket. So there would have been a chance, might have been a slim chance, if we had taken it like this to get smogged, it wouldn't have passed. And you can see some black around in here. Yeah, here's where it was blown out, right here on this end. This was the tailpipe end. So yeah, so much for a lifetime muffler. We showed you the clamp. Here's the muffler mount. This shiny brass looking part goes actually into the frame like that, so my hand would be the frame here, and these little projections off the muffler go into those little brackets, and this is a nice little rubber bumper. I'll take this off here for you. Just slides right on that post. There you go. So it's got that flex to it, sideways flex, up and down flex. It's pretty cool. Keeps the vibration and the banging down to nothing almost. Allows for contraction and expansion in extreme weathers, and plus exhaust systems operate pretty hot. So we're doing a muffler job on our 85 Volvo 240DL. We'll keep you posted. Oh, and as one more little thing here, yeah, it kind of fell apart on the inside. So I think actually this is the main baffle of the muffler here. Yeah. Here we go.
I'm about done, and I think I finally got it. Yeah, okay, hang on, here we go. Oh, there we go.
Wow. Great job, Bruce.
We got it out.
Yeah.